Good evening, everyone. I trust you are all doing well. Some people have been asking me for the design I posted, so I want to quickly show you around how I designed them. Okay, these are the designs, right? These are the designs. Okay, these are the designs. So what I'm going to do now is to just show you around how to design those stuffs, right? Let's go. Let me take you right to the browser, and we are going to be using Gemini. I believe for you, most of us, we know Gemini. Come here, this is Google Gemini. You open it. So after opening Google Gemini, I would like you to click on this create image. Click on it to bring you here. Then at this point, we'd like you to come to this describe your image. Click on it, then paste. For me, I've done my script already, so I want to just show you. All right, I will click it and paste. This is my script. This is my prompt. I've taught us how to prompt anything we want. Now let's read through my prompt. I said the image generation prompt, subject and identity, a high resolution sharp professional vertical portrait of a young Nigerian man with an athletic lean body shape. Okay, use the attached image as the exact facial reference. So this means that we are going to be posting my image. You are going to be posting your image, right? So use the attached image as the exact facial reference. Keep the identity, skin tone, and facial features locked at 800%. So don't touch anything on my identity, on my skin tone, and on my facial features. Do you get that? All right. Now, with no alterations, right? He has a composed neutral facial expression and is looking directly at the camera. That is me directing. I am a director. I'm directing the AI on what to do, right? Hair and grooming. Now I want to talk about my hairstyle. A smart professional haircut featuring a flawless. And now that I would have just stopped there, but I went down to say, do not put any line in the middle of my hair. The hairstyle should be very decent. I know sometimes when you tell them to give you some, they will not go and give you all those kind of hair that everybody is doing. Put a line in center of the hair. So I don't need that. You can only put line at the side, not at the center, right? Now I say mid skin fade on the side. Mid skin fade on the side. The tone is naturally short and textured. On the left side, include a sharp 90-degree boss edge at the temple and a bold curve surgical line that sweeps from the temple and arches over the hair. The hairline must be razor sharp. Do you get it now? If you use normal clipper, do not go down as much as possible. The line will not be so sharp, right? Then I am indicating that they should put a line at the side and not at the center, right? Now let's come to clothing and accessories. The subject is wearing a crisp white crew neck cotton t-shirt. Did you see that? As a base layer, topped with a heavyweight matte pure white hoodie. The hoodie is unzipped, revealing the t-shirt, with thick white drawn strings hanging symmetrically and a silver metal zipper. Do you see? I'm just explaining the clothes now, right? Now, no necklace or jewelry. He is wearing a modern black smartwatch with a circular blue digital face on his left wrist. I'm describing my watch now and how it should be in my body, right? Setting and composition. Background: a modern minimal city. Outdoor background: white with a professional broken blue, right? Now I went further to say lightning, soft, even studio style lightning with gentle highlights on the forehead and nose. Framing: vertical portrait oriented aspect ratio captured from the mid chest upward, highest level. Okay, now branding: include the small text watermark MTS Studio in a clean professional font on the left side of the frame. Now, if you need this prompt, I will put it on the comment section on YouTube. I will also paste it on YouTube community and on my Facebook page. All right. Now, let me quickly do this. Let me quickly. The next thing, okay. This is what I want, right? The next thing is to put my image. Remember from the beginning we said use the attached image as the exact facial reference, so I will need to attach the image from here, right? So the way I attach the image is that I come to this I will come to this plus button here and click on it. Now you can see I will click on gallery. All right, now I want to use this image here. I click on the image, then I send it. So after loading, as it now is done loading, I will click on this send button here. I will click on this send button here to send it. I will click on send. So now that I'm done doing that, I will just wait for it to load. You can just see it's loading. It's loading. Let's wait for it. Because it's generating your image. Like we all know, I like allowing my design to from beginning to the end. I like my classes to be raw so that you will not say I edited the video. That is why you did not get the actual concept. Do you see this? This is the image. Yeah, this is the image.